Good morning from Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Hey, we've just hit port and we are getting ready to get out and view this gorgeous island. Look at the mountains in the background. Gorgeous.
Bienvenido a República Dominicana. Con el merengue.
Está bien, gracias. Bueno. Checkmate.
So when you're in port, make sure to bring your passport, not only because if you miss your cruise ship, you'll need it, but you can get them stamped. A lot of people don't know that, but yeah, we've already gotten ours stamped in Amber Cove, so that's pretty cool. And the stamp in the book, lots of places to go.
So, what you think?
Awesome.
Pretty cool?
Yeah, it was cool.
All right, well, the thing is that we got to do it over again because I don't think I got any of that.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's do it again, let's do it again, let's do it again. Come on, let's do it again, let's do it again.
Well, look at that smile on your
Let's do it
face.
again.
I guess you enjoyed that,
Molly,
huh?
can we go again? Can we go again? For my homie. Swimming in Amber Cove. Dominican Republic.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Let that be real.
Blooper.
Shout out to my boy Joe. Can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
Shot, shot, shot.
Loco, loco.
So Aaron and I were just talking, and since it's so cloudy, we decided to do what true Pisceans do.
Travel and explore.
And we are going to take the unbeaten path. We are leaving out of Amber Cove, the Carnival port, and we're just going to walk inland some and see what we can find and explore. And we're going to take you with us. So let's go check it out.
See what we can find.
So we just ran into some of our fellow passengers, and they said if you walk down here past all of these taxis, then there is a man with a horse that will take you to the beach, $10 round trip. All right, so you see the line of taxis. I mean, they are all over the roads, everywhere you pass. One of them just stopped us and told us that we couldn't get to the, sorry, motorcycle. We couldn't get to the beach without paying $49 to the hotel, but he could take us to another gorgeous beach for $20. So we're gonna check to see if that is really the case or not. Always an experience with my love, or adventure that is. Look how gorgeous this is. It's on the other side of Amber Cove. Look, so you can see the buses over there. We literally walked out of Amber Cove Resort and walked up to the main road and took a left and walked east, and we passed by all the taxis and all the people trying to give you rides. And then the first road you come to, you make a left-hand turn and then you just walk down a bit. Look at how pretty this is. The things you find when you get out and explore. Waiting on Cinderella, I guess. Look, he's just sitting there, just relaxing. The Bahia de Mayamon. Exotic animals. I wonder how exotic. They got the liquor, they got the spa, and they got the braids. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And we found the beach.
Normally we used to walk in there, he blocked it.
And you see this? You see how close our ship is? How close it is? But we had to walk all the way out on the road and down to get to this little bit of paradise. But we got here. How cool. Let's go check it out. We found the beach.
We made it.
Lots of signs saying 5-minute walk to beach. After what?
Maybe 15.
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. Probably 20 because we stopped and did some video and everything else. But yeah, it's a really nice little beach. A lot of people don't get out.
Don't let the guys try to con you. One guy told us, it was like, oh, it's gonna cost you $45 to get onto the beach. I can take you to a nicer beach that's only gonna charge you $20.
Right.
We walked to the beach and it was free.
Free. That's $49.
Now, granted, it may be not the prettiest beach.
I think it's pretty.
I mean, but it's a nice beach.
The sand isn't white, but it's pretty and it's not crowded like, you know, up in Amber Cove with the pools and stuff. And, you know, we like to get out and explore and find the little places that not everybody talks about. So I hope with this video you guys give it a chance and get out and explore a little, but make sure to wear tennis shoes or some kind of good walking shoes, because it is a little hike. But you know, we brought water bottles, we brought our own towels, and of course he had. It started
raining for a little bit, but there was a little shed, we kind of waited it out, and now the sun's coming back out, so we're gonna have some fun. So all right guys, time to go play.
Yep, so we found a little bit of paradise in DR. Just a small little beach, not too far from the ship. You can actually see the ship over there. You know, of course, it's sprinkling a little, so Aaron's not able to fly his drone like he wanted to, but I'm sure it'll go past us. And in the meantime, I'm getting my beach walk in and seeing it. Look at all that sea glass. That's for my next art project. Thanks, Gloria, for giving me the idea. Can't wait to start. Look at this beauty. It's out washed up on the beach. Still alive, so we're gonna put it back in the water. Beautiful. See, you can see he's still alive. Some people might take it home thinking that he's all dried up. Not us. Come on, baby. See, it was just a little sprinkle, but it was enough to actually clear out the beach. Look at this. Empty seats, and they were all filled up like 5 minutes ago. Everybody just ran for the hills. I guess they figured it wasn't gonna stop. Not us though. I was only on a walk for maybe 2 minutes with the rain, and not only did everybody else on the beach disappear, but Aaron did too. I think I lost my husband. I think he might be kidnapped. This is where I left him. The only thing left are my shoes, his hat, and my cover-up. I lost him. I guess I need to go find him. And we are headed back to the cruise ship. Mother Nature did not want to cooperate with us. It's raining again, but we had fun. We met some great people on the beach.
We met a nice taxi driver. He was telling us his story of how he lived in
Sarasota. Yeah, he was in Sarasota for 20 some years. He was in the minor leagues, and then was in Florida for a while, and then came back here. Really nice guy.
So apparently it's been raining here for the last 3 days on and off. So
yeah.
I guess, you know, Mother Nature, like you said, is not playing nice and not really wanting us to enjoy. But we got out, we enjoyed, we had some fun at the beach, and
got some pretty bling bling. All these rings, I couldn't pass them up. They're really unique. So they have a stone on each side. So one is the amber, and then one is this, and then you take it off and they flip around. I'll show you in a separate video because I'm walking, but I couldn't pass them up, so I got one for me and one for my mom. Shh, don't tell her, it's a surprise.
All right, so we're gonna head back to the ship, try and get out of this rain and get dried up and see what else we can do fun.
Yep.
All right, guys. Deuces.
Right, we are on the move and leaving Amber Cove.
All right, ciao for now, Amber Cove.
Ciao for now.
Deuces.